Installing LVTs onto an underlay system is becoming even more popular nowadays, but with all floating floors you must be leaving expansion gaps around every fixed object, and especially in doorways as well. Stairrods do have solutions for these gaps, and one of the solutions is the floating cover. Now the floating cover is a solid brass cover plate which has got an applied adhesive tape to the back, but what you do is you stick it just to one side of the floor covering, the one with least resistance. So as it does expand and contract, it's not going to restrict the flooring in any way. An alternative to the floating cover is the Tramline Transition. The Tramline Transition is part of the new Ali range, and it gives you a tramline feature with all the profiles. It's got a 3mm recess in this one, but it does come in a 1mm and a 5mm. The recess has got a high grab PMR tape in it, so it's resistant against plasticizers, and it comes with a pre-applied tape on the back as well. These bars are a brilliant product because you can actually install the flooring into the trim itself, giving it a perfect match. So that's 100% colour matched, but it's what I've done. I've just run the floor in a different way to give it a bit more of an aesthetic feature. You can run it the same way, which blends the bar right into the floor covering itself. The bars are available in 4 colours and they come in 1.8 metre lengths, allowing you to get 2 doorways out of 1 bar.